Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well today. Hope you're having a really good day so far. Hope you're having a really good week. I know there's a lot going on. It's interesting because I was contemplating whether or not I should post this video, because I was talking to my friend about this actually yesterday, because I know there's so much going on right now, and I think to myself, what's the point of posting a haul video? Or like, I don't know if that's just kind of how I think, but she made a good point. She was like, just keep posting what you would normally post, because people want an escape from reality sometimes, especially with your videos. Sometimes it's nice to have a little break from what's going on with politics, with COVID and everything, and like a few minutes talking about clothes or lifestyle content is a nice way for some people to escape and get their mind off of it. So that was like, that's a really good point, because honestly I'm like, yeah, I feel a little bit weird posting stuff like this, but like she said, it's nice to sometimes get your mind off of it. I ordered a bunch of stuff from Gymshark. I ordered a bunch of stuff from Gymshark. Gymshark probably has to be at least up there in my top 2-3 favorite brands when it comes to athletic wear. I like their stuff a lot. I've had some of their pieces now for a long time. They last forever, and I just like how they fit. And I don't normally do like active wear videos like this or hauls, so I thought, why not share with you? I wasn't planning on doing this, but like I said, I'm like, well, maybe you guys will enjoy this. Packaging is always really, I don't know, I like it. Oh, I need to sneeze. But I was due for some gym clothes. I have like 2 shirts that I alternate back and forth, if you've noticed probably in my videos, or I have 3 shirts that I just constantly keep washing, and I needed some clothes. And I know some gyms are closed. Mine, thankfully, it's open. It's like a private little gym, so I've been going there. So I got this shirt right here. This is the Arrival short sleeve t-shirt in medium black. It is very breathable. It's a typical, like lightweight, breathable gym shirt, just in black. You'll notice a lot of my gym clothes are black, gray, white. So this is, just this really cool shirt that I can't wait to wear. It feels very, very good quality. I'll link everything down below in the down bar. All right, this right here is the Apollo shirt. It's just a simple, shirt with the Gymshark logo on it, as you can see right there in black. I'm excited to wear this. Like I said, I was due for some gym clothes, so yeah, I got this Apollo shirt in black. If you have any other brands that you like, let me know as well. I would love to know some affordable active wear brands. Random question: are you the type of person that when you get new clothes, do you wear them right away, or do you wash them and then wear them? I don't know why. Most of the time for me, I like to wash the clothes first and then wear it. I don't know why. This is another Apollo short sleeve t-shirt in gray, the same exact shirt but in gray. Bam bam. Not much else I can say. I like the fact that it has like a little bit of stretch to it too, which is perfect for working out. I mean, that's how it should be, right? You don't want to be constricted with your clothes. You want to be comfortable as can be when working out. So I got this one right here. And I also got these shorts right here in the same kind of charcoal gray. These are kind of shorts, but I like that, especially for like leg day. So yeah, I got this, and it has some zippers right here. So you can, store your AirPods, your keys, whatever it may be. This elastic kind of band with the straps, or not straps, to tie it around your waist. And then I also went ahead and grabbed this tank top. It's the Critical Drop Armhole t-shirt. I don't really have like gym tank tops, so I got this right here. I mean, I could have just done this with any shirt, I'm sure. It's just kind of like, it has the, sleeves cut off with the Gymshark logo right there. All right, I also got these, which I'm excited for. These are called the CREST pants. I don't really have any joggers or pants from Gymshark, so I'm curious. I like wearing these a lot, not only to the gym, but I mean, not that I can really travel right now, but like to the airport or like at home, especially just like lounging around. But these are, these caught my eye. Well, the other ones caught my eye. I'll show you guys those in a bit. These are actually just the simple basic like jogger, like sweatpants with the Gymshark logo. Feels really good quality. I know I keep saying that for all of them, but yeah, they're just a pretty basic is good though. Especially now that it's finally getting a little bit chillier outside, which I really like. I don't like the time change though. Daylight savings is not the tee. This one here is the Vital long sleeve t-shirt in black. It's kind of like the first shirt that I showed you guys, just that like nice, lightweight, breathable material, perfect for working out, but it is a long sleeve, which is perfect, like I said. Right now that it's getting colder out, so this is perfect, especially for like running, being out. So yeah, I like this. Not much else I can really say. Hopefully you are enjoying this haul. I know it's kind of, you know, I like it actually. These are the LUXE, what's it called? The LUXE Legacy Jogger. I thought these were really cool when I saw them on the site. It has kind of like, a zipper right here for an opening at the bottom of the leg. It is just, you know, a nice jogger pant with this cool white detail on the side, as you guys can see, with the logo on each side. Does it not have pockets? Oh yeah, it does, perfect. So it also has zipper pockets on the side, which is perfect, especially if you're gonna go run or whatever you're gonna do. It's nice to store your card or I don't know, your AirPods, whatever it may be. So yeah, I like this one a lot actually. So yeah, it has this nice little details on the side. And that is pretty much it. I don't know why I thought it was a bigger order than it was. I mean, this is a lot, but I just thought I'd, you know, share what I got. I can't wait to wear this. You know, when you get new clothes that are like workout clothes, you kind of are like more excited now to work out. There's like this weird beep outside. I don't know what that is. Do you hear that? Do you hear that? All right, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys have a great rest of the day, a great rest of the week. Don't forget to check out our podcast, hit like down below, stay safe, links below in the down bar, and also let me know what type of videos do you want to see from me next. I'm gonna log off here, and with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. That noise is really bothering me. Adios.